Hello, sir. We're from UMind and we want to know what are your inputs on how the school disposes of food waste and how the school processes it.
So how do we do at CNS is that we weigh the food before we serve it, and once the food, everyone has consumed the food, whatever is the left over, we weigh it again. For as an awareness, we put it on a board. So if you go to the cafeteria, you find there a board which says what's the kg food is left over and how many kids could be fed with that food. So on an average, around 700 to 800 grams per food per person a child eats. That's how it is. And as we have in a school in primary, behind primary cafeteria, whatever the food is left, we put it in a compost. We try to make it a compost so that we can use it after a few days to the plants. So that's what the process we do, and we try our level best to tell our kids that when you're taking food, if you want more food, you come again, but don't take extra food and waste. That's
What happens to the compost? Like, where do you put it?
So once the compost is ready, we put it to the plants. As you know that we have a huge
In the
campus.
school campus?
Yes, as we have 3 acre of land and there's a lot of plants around the campus, we use it in that. We give it to the Mali and we use it.
How do you think we can improve the pre-existing system of like?
Improve the pre-existing system is that we have a menu which is planned for 6 weeks, and when we see every day the menu and we find out that these are the things which is not moving around, we try to reduce the production of that product, so that in that case we have very less left over.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Welcome.